ये हमारी this is a binocular microscope. Let us today learn how to use it optimally, the best use. There is a iris diaphragm here. You can put the filter, and then there is a iris diaphragm which changes the intensity of light, and there is a this knob is there to make it up and down. This condenser moves and up and down. You make the optimum light. Now let us say I am using it on 10x objective and put the sample in this side. Now I can see the light. Here I can see the light. First of all, you have to adjust with your left eye. This is with the left eye 1. This is without any graduation. This is with graduation. Left eye focus this through this eye, and then moving this you can adjust the right eye so that both the eyes can see together. Then there is a distance adjustment, interpupillary distance. This is the distance between the two eyes. You can put this and adjust it. This is for using it optimal head objective setting so that you can see the eyepiece and with the both eye proper. And condenser can be used to increase the contrast between the specimen. Please visit our website or write to us the email abron01@gmail.com.